Hello everybody, my name's Colin and today we're going to be looking at some English idioms in this screencast. We're going to be talking about what an idiom is, how they're used, and look at some examples of them and give you guys an opportunity to test your knowledge on these English idioms. So to start off, we're going to talk about what is an idiom, if you don't know. An idiom is a phrase or an expression that is used in a certain culture, in a certain language of that culture or country, that unless you understand the meaning that goes beyond the words themselves, it doesn't make sense. So for example, I might use one of these idioms in English here in America, but if you don't speak English or if you're not from America, you might not understand what I mean just from the words themselves that make up the idiom, essentially. So let's go ahead and take a look at some examples. So the first one we're going to look at, the first English idiom, is the best of both worlds. So what this idiom means is that when having two opportunities, you don't have to choose between one or the other. You're able to have them both. Let's go ahead and look at these three examples and see which one we would choose to go along with this first idiom. I got to spend time with my dad and with my friends. These apples were on sale at the store. I'm excited to go camping with my family. Think about that. Which one would you use the expression the best of both worlds for? Alrighty. So the best choice here would be number one. I got to spend time with my dad and with my friends. A key word here is the word and. That's a conjunction. And this person, they are not having to choose between spending time with their dad or with their friends. They're able to do both. Let's check out one more idiom. Killing two birds with one stone. What on earth does this mean? So basically, as you see in the picture there is one stone and it's hitting both of the birds. So what this expression, what this idiom means is that with one action, you're able to accomplish two goals. Like in the picture here, with one rock, he's able to hit or kill two birds. Let's look at some sentences and find out which one matches best with this idiom. Sam and I played baseball with his mom after school today. I stopped by the store to get milk on the way back from my trip to the bank. My sister and I finished our homework early. Think about it for a minute. Which one would you use the expression killed two birds with one stone on? Alrighty. The best choice here would be number two. I stopped by the store to get milk on my way back from my trip to the bank. So this person, they are going to the bank. That was their first goal. But on the same trip, they were also able to stop by the store to get some milk. So they were able to do two things in one action. The one action was the trip to the bank, but on their way back, they were able to get milk as well. All right, and we have one final idiom we're going to take a look at today, and that is a piece of cake. A piece of cake means something was easy. It was a piece of cake. It was easy to accomplish. These three sentences here, let's take a look. I like to put peanut butter on my apples. I finished my homework very fast. I played basketball for 3 hours with my cousin. Take a minute to think about which one you would use the idiom a piece of cake on. Alrighty. The best choice here would be number two. I finished my homework very fast. So maybe this person is just trying to get through their homework very fast and isn't trying to get the right answers. But let's assume here that they got through very quickly because the test was very easy, because the test was a piece of cake. Alrighty, well, thank you very much for taking a look at this video. Hopefully it was helpful in just your acquisition, your acquiring, your learning of the English language. Thanks, guys.